Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank. This is your host, Jack McKeag, and today we're going to talk about my role as a financial advisor. Yes, I have a lot of information out there, and quite a lot of it's available for free, but if you need me, by the half hour, by the hour, I'm here for that too. You can schedule an appointment. Of course, it's, more expensive than free to do that, but make the most of your time if you use it. In other words, hey, I'm in this, difficult, acute, problematic situation, and I just heard about your work, and now I need some help, and I only have 10 days until this foreclosure court case, blah blah blah, some big deal thing, right? Whatever, under 30 days, let's just say you want to get in half hour, an hour of my time. I listen to your thing, we make a plan, you're good to go. Otherwise, your time is short to learn my work, and I know it, so I know what you need, where you are, and make a short little plan for you. And then you don't waste time, money on anything other than what will work and what I prove works, okay? Because when you're short on time, you can't be wasting time. You just can't. So that's why my hourly's up there. I mean, you got all this stuff going on. You don't want to waste any more time and money. I make a short little plan based on your information, and you're good to go. Okay. So, and you can do that on Liberty Aid and jackmckeg.com. But let's first start with the free method, because that's the one to know. And I want you to get this information ongoing, right? Look, Liberty Aid has channel Jack McKeag there, all right? And you can see up on YouTube where it is, but you can search it, find Jack McKeag, Liberty Aid right there. And the series Breaking Bank, there's many different videos there, really a lot, over 100. And this is all free, okay? I can understand you're in a situation that you don't have the funds to do all of my work, and you don't have the funds to call me, or you don't know if you should spend the time on that or whatever. Hey, do all the free stuff first. Why not? I would. We'll have a much more insightful and more informed relationship if you do. I tried to put it out there to help people for free. I started this for free. I've just cranked it up to a super professional level with a bunch of help, so I can make the most of your time. You don't want to be wasting years of your life or decades doing things that just don't reap any financial benefits or rewards for you. And you are where you are right now. A little bit of my time can be a wonderful thing, but until then, you're watching video, whatever, just for free, watch the Breaking Bank series. Learn about it, watch the proof. What does this mean? What does that mean? What's going on? You can really get extremely deeply into my work and learn more about the financial system than you will from anyone else, and you will know more than really almost every expert, and maybe every expert out there, if you simply watch those free videos, okay? So I really have a lot of information out there for free. Okay, financial advice with proof that it works, that I did it myself first. That's the way I do it. No one else does it. I do it that way. So really go get this information. I mean, chances are you're subscribed to the channel if you're watching this. If not, you did this on a random thing. But subscribe, get the videos when they come out, and watch what's out there, because I got to tell you also, they're so good. What we're doing is we're moving most of them out of there, and we're moving them into the mentor area in jackmckeg.com with the mentor program, just because they're really needed there, and people need that body of work. And there's still a lot out there on this YouTube channel. So dive deep into it, check it out. That's the free financial advice, and really, you'll be so far ahead of the pack with that information. You'll take a while to process it, it'll be so much, but then you'll be like, okay, now what do I want to do with my plan, my life? That's, what the mentor program is here for, and other things. So when you get to the spot where, hey, I need some financial advice, I'm not going to talk about all the products in these websites or anything like that. All I want to just say is the financial advice aspect, it comes in two different ways. This hourly assistance here, okay? And the times have just changed a little bit, but the website hasn't been updated, but you'll see it'll be updated when you go to schedule a time. There are still a lot of times it's just shifted around a little bit. Anyway, weekend time, daytime, weekday time, stuff like that. Okay. So what happens is, you add this to your cart, you make your donation, you get a link in your email, and that link in your email, you click on it, and you go into the schedule, and you're like, oh, what time works? And since you have that link, you don't have to schedule like, oh, right at that minute. You can go work on it. I've had people schedule their time, much later. They thought they were going to do it one day, they got the time, it didn't work out. You can reschedule, no problem. It doesn't matter. It allows you to do that. And if you come up with an issue, you just write us an email and we'll help you switch it around. It's really, but as long as you have that link, you can do it by yourself. It's really easy. This takes a second. Hit the link in the email, click on the schedule if you want. It's so simple. Then I get notified, you get notified, hey, everybody's happy. Okay. On Jack McCaig here, there's actually another option over here to get advice. Now, of course, our products are expert advice on certain areas. I don't want to take away from that, but I just meant, my stuff. Okay, 30-minute and 60-minute consulting is right here. See, financial advice there. And this monthly mentoring is really anyone doing my work. Really, it's affordable, but you really need 3 products as a this is kind of like graduate level training, all right, for this work. And it's but it's really for every level. Okay, it's really for every level, but you can jump in day one, no problem. I'm just saying, I don't leave anything out in this mentoring. I do the whole big picture, then I do every detail, and you can ask questions. It's really good. Okay, but you need to have the corporate credit bundle, the trust. You need, to be in the mentoring, you need the trust, corporate credit secrets, and the debt savior system. Okay, and over here on Liberty Aid, and you can get these are the same exact things. They just have different names on different sites. Okay, so this is corporate credit right here. These are the prerequisites. But the thing is, you have to get into the mentoring. It isn't listed on Liberty Aid, okay? So if you have these products from Liberty Aid, this trust right here, common law or irrevocable ecclesiastical trust, that's the other prerequisite, and the debt removal package. Okay, if you have those 3 things from Liberty Aid, great, you're in the mentoring program too. They're the same products, so we just have, 2 opportunities in case, because I'm just trying to bring this information to as many people as possible, so not everyone, comes to information visually the same and so on. But we're trying to upgrade what we do and also who we reach, both. So, all right. This video is just really about how to get my advice, whether it be speaking on the phone or Skype. I've done it that way. That'll be that hourly. Really, we do phone unless it's a very unusual circumstance, someone out of the country or something like that. Phone. And then the free on YouTube channel. And really, I would subscribe to this if you're all interested in any financial information whatsoever. Because I'm the one posting proof. I mean, lots of people explain, oh, this is how you do this is how you do that, but they don't show the proof. This is how I did this is how I did that, you see? And then they back it up after that. You see, that's a very rare thing to see in any video on YouTube or otherwise. But that's what I do, so go watch these videos, alright? Alright, so that's good. Stay with us. Looking forward to everyone moving a little farther in their financial prosperity every day. To the people that are doing this in an ongoing way, I mean, miraculous, right? Yes, that's the word. You are doing so well, so many of you. It's just like the emails I'm getting from the people far along in this work, just I'm so happy for you and very proud of you. It's been difficult to be out in front myself. I'm the only one. Look at all my proof. Look at all this. Now we have so many clients with so much proof and so much happiness out there. You know, not having some stupid job for whoever to get money and just they're on that hamster wheel of never the ones in charge of their life, right? And these people have totally switched their lives around, and really proud of you. You did the work, you put in the effort. It was my blessing to help guide you, but you know how you got there, and others are coming, and so let's keep the good questions coming in the mentor program and just the questions you have. Then I put out videos and answers to your question. Answer those emails. So it's great to hear from you, because I want to hear, okay, what are you stuck on? I'm a little bit far down the road myself, so I'm always trying to stay in tune with, like, what do you need? So you just let me know, and I'm here to serve you. Okay, God bless your success.